everybody. We're going to do our first application problem together today. I'm so glad to be able to teach you. So for this, you're going to need a pencil and paper. Hopefully you have one near you, but if not, hopefully you can grab one quickly. We're going to do an application problem. So we're going to read the sentence and we're going to draw some math drawings. Remember, those math drawings are quick drawings. They should not have a lot of detail. And then we're going to do some number sentences and some number bonds when we do these too. So today's problem says, Maddie has 5 toy cars. Zach has 3 toy cars. We want to know how many toy cars they have all together. And we're going to do that through a picture first. So we need to figure out how many toy cars we have to draw for Maddie first. So I'm going to read you the first sentence again. It says, Maddie has 5 toy cars. So I want you to take a minute and think about how many cars we need to draw for Maddie. Yep, we need to draw 5. So we are going to draw 5 circles for Maddie's cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, math drawings are quick drawings. I didn't do any details. My cars are represented by a circle. All right, now I want you to pause. Either push the screen where you can see me and it'll pause the video, or you can push the space bar and it'll pause the video. Whatever one works best for you. And make sure that you have your 5 circles drawn before you put me on again. Okay, so go ahead and pause. All right, now that you have your 5 circles drawn, we need to see how many circles we need to draw for Zach's toy cars. So it says Zach has 3 toy cars. So how many toys do we need, or how many cars do we need to draw? You got it, we need to draw 3. It says 3 right here. So we didn't take cars away, we're adding more cars, so we need to draw 3 more. So 1, 2, 3 for Zach's cars. So again, you can pause the video and you can make sure your picture looks just like mine, with 5 cars for Maddie and 3 cars for Zach. Go ahead and pause and then unpause when you have your drawing. Okay, now we want to know how many cars they have all together. But first, let's draw a number bond. So remember, a circle. I usually say give your circle 2 legs. And then give those legs another circle, big enough to write your numbers in. Okay. And we need to figure out our parts. We know that Maddie has 5 cars and Zach has 3 toy cars, and they want to know how many all together. So we're missing that hole. This is our question mark. So go ahead and draw your number bond and then pause and unpause. Okay, now we need to figure out what our parts are. Well, this part is Maddie's part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Maddie's part. So go ahead and write your 5 in there. And we need Zachary's part in this one. So he has, count with me, 1, 2, 3. So our other part is 3. Now we need to figure out how many all together. So we're counting Maddie and Zach's cars to get our hole here. So I'm going to erase my question mark because we're going to figure out that hole. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause so you can catch up. Right now you should have a 5 and a 3 in your parts. And if not, just pause and I'll give you a minute to catch up. All right, now I want you to count and we can see how many cars they have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 8 cars. Eight altogether. So we have a part of 5, a part of 3, and a whole of 8. If you need to pause to catch up, go ahead and pause. If not, you can keep going with me. Now we need a number sentence. So we said that we were putting cars together. We were not taking them apart. So we need to add them together. So our number sentence is going to be an addition number sentence. So it's going to be something plus something equals something, our mystery number. Okay. Go ahead and pause if you need to write your number sentence there. Okay. So first we want our first part of Maddie's cars. And Maddie had 5 cars. So we're going to write the number 5 there. So 5 plus, we need Zach's cars, and he had 3 cars. So 5 plus 3 equals, and now we need to figure out what our mystery number is. But guess what? We already know because we have it in our number bond. We have our 5 and we have our 3, and our mystery number, our whole, is 8. So I'm going to fill in my 8 for my number sentence. Now just echo my number sentence just like we do in math. I'll say it and then you say it. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good. All right. You have now done your first application problem with me. Miss Gutowski and I are going to take turns doing some application problems with you, just to keep practicing what we have done in school. And we will probably be helping you a little less as we get going. We might have you count first and then write in your number sentence, and we'll check and make sure it looks good and looks right. But today we just want to do a little warm up with you so you remember what they look like and what they sound like, and the work that we need to do to put into them. So I will see you next time. Bye guys.